great. It's Corona time, so I suggest not to travel much. But once it's a little bit settled, once the lockdown is settled, you can start traveling. So I know a lot of bike enthusiasts out there. So this video, I think it should help you guys, somewhat to help pack off the necessary stuff when you're traveling. The reason behind why I'm making is because this video is because it's more of making you like self-reliant, because you don't have to depend on someone else if there's a problem with your bike, or you don't have to depend on anyone for any of the tools or accessories while you're traveling, especially if you're not going on a motorcycle. And this video is especially for that. So one thing I forgot to mention is, like, make sure when you're traveling, use all your travel documents, your bike insurance, your bike registration. Make sure you carry all that with you, because it's very important, especially in India. So if you have all that with you, you're safe to go. So let's move on to the video. Yeah. So yes guys, as you can see, there is all this stuff you actually need for camping. There's no camping tent or sleeping bags, because you'll be staying in proper hotels. So yeah, I just want to show you, this is for motorcycle only. As you can see, there's the saddle bags. That is from Rhinox, and it's really good for the left and right side of your bike. It's waterproof. It's 30 liters each, so it's total of 60 liters. Plus you can add 5 liters as well, so it comes to 70. That is your toolkit. I'll show you at the end of the video what is exactly inside that. Then you have your cameras. That is a Canon camera with your camera bag, and you have your small cam, your power bank, your multi-purpose tool. This is like you can get it from Amazon. And then you have your camera mounts over there. Then you have your earphone cable. While you're riding, you will need that. You have a flashlight. Then your wallet, of course, with all your IDs, everything. Your charging cables, and you will also need a 3-pin plug, just in case you need to charge multiple devices. Okay, now moving on to the first aid kit. Yeah, this is your main first aid box. This one you'll put it inside your main bag, so your luggage basically. So you have all your necessary stuff like IOD and cotton gauze and all. I'll show it in the next video in detail what is the content inside it. And one is for your motorcycle, and the other one is for your luggage. One to keep it in your main luggage. So yeah, that's it. And then you have your you have a pencil and pen. Then you have your raincoat. That is full-size raincoat, so make sure you have it. This is a bunch of batteries and your matchbox and stuff like this. Is your tissue, your cleaning cloth for your camera. And this is for a needle and stitch kit. Is basically if you have a torn cloth or torn bag, you want to stitch it on your own. This is your mask. Always carry a spare mask with you. This is soap, your detergent, just in case you want to wash your clothes. This is your personal hygiene stuff, your toothbrush, shaving stuff, shaving cream, and all razor, everything. Now moving on to the other side, you have your jacket, your riding jacket. Have a proper one. You have your riding gear, that is your gloves. Then your shoes. You make sure you have a multi-purpose shoes. So I don't have a sandal in the video, but please carry one. And your helmet, of course. If you're vlogging, just carry your mounts. That is actually necessary. Then you have your straps. These straps is actually for your luggage, or if you want to attach some item to your luggage, always carry some spare straps with you. It will be of great help. Then you have your main backpack, and this is around, I think, 45 liters, I believe, 45 or 50 liters plus. So this one carry most of your clothes, all your belongings. So I'm not showing in detail what's inside for that. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Okay guys, I hope you can see from there. This is for the toolkit, because I made this by myself. I actually stitched it. It took me forever for me to get it stitched and all. It's just simple toolkit. As you can see, there is spanners, because spanners mainly is the 14, 12, 10 and 8. Then you have an adjustable spanner over here. Adjustable spanner. You have a plier. This is a nose plier. I suggest you carry a nose plier instead of the flat one, because this is useful in most of the places. Then you have this is a lifesaver. You know, when you run out of fuel, or if you want to spare your fuel to your friend or fellow rider, you can use this to drain out the fuel. This is your chain spray, you can use it. And this is in case if you want to tow your bike, got a problem on the way, to tow it, or if you can use it for trekking as well, if you want to climb somewhere. And this one is to tie your luggage in case if your luggage falls off, or if the straps break off, so you can use this, or for any other purpose. This is another important part, because this small box has all the spare nuts and bolts for your bike, okay, and have some thread as well, because just in case if you lost a few bolts on the way, if for example your handlebar bolts, or like it could be anything. So I have some spare bolts. This should match your bike, so you should know which bolts you can. So have a bunch of them with you, because it's safe, just to be safe on yourself. And then you have few cloth to clean your bike and your hands, for your chain and everything. And this is fuel, this is petrol. So this is actually to clean your spare parts and chain, best for the chain. So yeah, and now moving on to the actual toolkit. This stuff, I'm making this to make sure it doesn't make any noise or rattling when you're going off road, or like on bumpy road. So yeah, you have tire wraps. This is a must-have. This is a lifesaver. Then this is actually to remove your tires, just in case if you have a flat tire. I don't have a puncture kit with me, that's why I carry all this. If you want to remove your tire at the front, you need to make sure you have the right. This is a 22 size and this is a 11 by 16. So this is matching for my bike. I have a 390, K10 390. So that's actually suitable for this bike. And I have a T spanner along with the wrench and stuff. So in case if you have trouble opening the bolts using the normal spanner, you can use it. It has got size from 15 to 18 and 19. Then you have this one. This is multi-purpose. So you can use it as a start screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and a line key. A line key you need to carry the big one as well. I don't have that one with me at the moment because not much of a major work. If anything major happens, yes, you need to have that tool. But these tools are basically for all emergency works. If you have any accelerator cable which broke off, or clutch cable, or something like that, if there's an oil leak, you can fix it on your own. If there's a chain problem, you can fix it on your own. Or if you need to replace sprockets or something like that. So for all that, you can manage with the tools. As you can see, this is very handy. This is only if you're traveling around 200 to 250 kilometers. Above 200 kilometers, I suggest you carry this. But depends upon the road as well. If you're going on Ladakh or the Himalayas, you have to carry this, because you also need to carry a tire puncture repair kit. But I don't have it with me. It is suggestible because most of the bikes nowadays are tubeless. So tube type, it's difficult, and I have to remove the entire tire. It will take a long time. So I hope this video helps. Also, for the first aid kit, I have two first aid kits with me. One is for the bike. This is like the basic stuff. You have all the gauze, band-aids and all that. The basic stuff just to stop the bleeding. Just in case if you're bleeding on your hand or somewhere, you can use this just to stop the bleeding. Then you have the proper one. This is in your backpack or the main bag, so you can use this. And this has iodine solution. You have tape, so you can put a bandage properly and make it everything safe. So I hope this video helps you guys, and please do share your comments, and don't hesitate to comment. Even if I miss out anything, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching.